What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today we're gonna plant some potatoes in the ground. As you can see, we planted our onions right here, planted our red onions right here, our white onions right here, and our yellow onions right here. But before we plant our Yukon Gold potatoes behind our white onions, we have to loosen up the soil. So these are the Yukon Gold potatoes that we're planting today. You can see they're super small, so we didn't have to cut them in half to make more seed potatoes because they're already small. There's no reason to cut them in half when they're, this tiny. Check it out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 24 potatoes. We're gonna plant 24 Yukon Gold potatoes right here behind our white onions. Guys, check this out. You know what this is? Can you guys see? Let me see, let me zoom in on it. Deer tracks. We have never had deer in our backyard until this year. This is crazy. I guess it's a new farmer's market in town. We need to go check it out, see what's going on over there. They got some stuff growing over there. And this is crazy because I was just telling somebody how we don't have any problem with deer. And now look, I guess I was wrong. So before we start Broadfork in this area, I want to ask you guys what you think about this advice somebody gave us on how to get rid of ants. So they said if you want to get rid of ants, you take the ants from the front yard and you put them with the ants in the backyard, and they'll get rid of the backyard ants.
Don't do drugs. If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help.
So my next question was, what happens to the backyard ants? I don't know. So let us know what you guys think about that advice in the comment section. Is it good advice or is it bad advice? I don't know. So now that we're done Broadfork in this area, we're gonna add some Epsom salt. We're just gonna sprinkle some Epsom salt and mix it in with this soil right here. We were gonna plant Yukon Gold potatoes on this whole row today, but we figured why not plant some right here today and like 2 weeks later or a week later plant some right here, so that way we don't harvest all our Yukon Gold potatoes at the same time. So for our Yukon Gold potatoes, we're gonna plant rows of 3. So one right there. Here. And one right here. Let us know in the comment section if you have any tips on how to harvest a lot of Yukon Gold potatoes. Last year we planted our Yukon Gold potatoes in our 30-gallon compost containers. So I can't wait to see how our Yukon Gold potato harvest is going to be in the ground. And if you guys wondering why I use Epsom salt, it's because plants love magnesium, and Epsom salt feeds the plant magnesium. That's why I use Epsom salt.